Welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today I'm going to be talking about school tips, freshman advice, what you should and what you shouldn't be doing, how to survive high school, all of that. This is for my babies that are in high school, or if you're going to high school, this video is for you. Before we get into this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I know coming into high school from middle school can be very overwhelming, and just be yourself. Walk in the schoolhouse and be you. You don't want to go in trying to act like you this, act like you that, because you can't keep up an image that's not you, and people gonna like you regardless. Value yourself. When you coming into high school, I know ninth graders, they be all outside of their head. Ninth grade set the foundation for your other years. So if you come in, you just starting around, you with this dude, you with that dude, you in her face, you in his face, you in everybody's face. Don't be giving your goodies away, and you ain't even have to give your goodies away in order to not value yourself. When I say value yourself, I mean don't be around here texting everybody, don't be around here talking to everybody, because in high school, the word gets around like everybody gets to talk. You don't want to be that person that everybody is talking about. He's a. You don't want this. Be cool. People gonna come to you and decline them. Don't be worried about no little boo, but we gonna get to that. We gonna get to that. Everybody not your friend. High school is totally different from middle school. It's gonna be a whole different ball game. You might look up and still be friends when you graduate with your ninth grade friend, but you're gonna be very lucky if that happens. Everybody not your friend. Don't get in high school thinking that you're gonna be all cool with everybody. Like, high school is big, and it's so many different personalities, people growing up, people getting their moods. You ain't got time for that. You don't need to be on all that friendly stuff. You don't need to be worried about who talking to who not talking to you. And so I ain't gonna tell y'all to be bougie in school, but when you first get in ninth grade, be bougie. Be bougie. I ain't talking to you. Who's you? I'm just playing. But for real, everybody not your friend. Like, this friend might be friends with her, she might be mad at him, and then they just gonna expect you to roll with it. Like, that's how stuff gets started. So just be to yourself, talk to who you talk to, but you ain't gotta label everybody no friend, because everybody not your friend anyways. Relationships. Now, I've been in my relationship since like 9th, 10th grade. Now, don't go off of me, because I looked up big time. I looked up like he slipped through the cracks, sis. He slipped through the cracks, but I had to build what I got. But y'all can't go off that, because y'all around here seeing these social media relationships. Y'all think it's all good to post pictures. Don't do it. Focus on you, yourself, and I. You don't need no boyfriend. You don't need no girlfriend. All of that stuff is gonna come down the line. When you're in ninth grade and when you're first coming into high school, that should be your least of worries. It's a boyfriend or a girlfriend, or any type of friend. Dudes would date girls and they be in the same classroom. Don't think that you finna come into high school and you finna get with these upperclassmen. No. Your heart is gonna get broken. You have to think about upperclassmen, they're grown. You're like a child. You're a baby to them. Don't be thinking that you finna come in and you finna talk to these upperclassmen and y'all finna build y'all a strong relationship and y'all gonna be together forever, because sis, I'm here to tell you, it ain't gonna happen. When I was in high school, it was so many different couples taking pictures, best couple this, best couple that, and where they at? Anyway, all I'm saying is, don't waste your time. Save yourself the heartbreak. This social media stuff got kids worried about being popular and having popularity. What? People know you. Oh, she cute, but what? People gonna know you regardless. Like smart kids. You know the smart kids. But they don't have to do all this loud, obnoxious. Like, I'm telling you, do not create bad vibes with being loud in the hallway. I hated that back in school. No, do not do that. You ain't worried about who like you, who know you, who want to sit with you. None of that, because when you popping, they gonna want to do it anyways. Period. Make sure that you talk to the smart kids or the people that be on top of their work, because when you missing school or if you need help with anything, you didn't do the homework, they might just mess with you. Might just slide you that paper, might just slide you that answer. They gonna help you. I'm telling you, they come in handy. So you just have to create good relationships with people. 9th grade and 11th grade, to me, are the most important years when you're in high school. You need to make sure that you're doing your work and that you're passing all of your classes. You need to do everything that you need to do on the front end so that once you get in the 12th grade, before you graduate, you can have a easy senior year. Work hard first, play later. Make sure you turn in your work. Make sure you do your work. I would rather get a 68 F on a class assignment than get a 0 because I didn't do it. If you don't know nothing, or if you just feel like it's just too hard, do something. Turn in something. Don't just turn in nothing, because that's gonna bring your grade from here to here. So yeah, let's take it back to friends. Don't even socialize with people that be like, girl, you heard this? Girl, they did that? That is not cute. And that's gonna keep you in mess. People can sit up and tell you something. You ain't even gotta say nothing back. Don't be in no drama. Don't worry about no he say, she say, because it is so easy to get into something in high school because everybody running their mouth. I'm telling you, be bougie in school, be bougie. Lead, do not follow. When you in high school, people are gonna be trying to convince you to do this, do that. They're gonna be asking you to skill with them. They're gonna be asking you to smoke with them. They're gonna be trying to get you to and you just need to be your own person, have your own mind. If you want to do it because you want to do it. Don't do it because you see everybody else doing it and you just want to be on the bandwagon. So lead and do not follow. Be respectful, not even just for school. You're always supposed to be respectful, but especially to your teachers. Like, do not be disrespecting your teachers, having bad vibes, and just overall bad reputations with your teachers. You can laugh and play all day in class, but as long as you respect them, you're fine. Be active in your school, joining a committee like the prom committee. I mean, it keeps you going and it keeps you occupied. So be active, get your head somewhere, and just don't be out here just doing nothing. High school is not bad. Have fun. Do not stress it. When you at school, worry about school. When you at home, worry about home, sis. It's not that hard. Literally, all you have to do is show up, do your work, and go home. School is actually fun. I wish that I can go back because I would change so many things. I wish that I had these tips when I was in school because I would have a blast. It's not hard. It's what you make it. Those are all the tips that I have for you guys with how to survive high school. If you don't agree with my tips, comment down below and let me know what you do in high school or what you did do in high school. Or if you haven't started high school, just let me know your thoughts of how you think high school is going to be. Follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MieshaLave_. I hope you guys enjoyed my advice. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yeah.